Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Triumph Street Triple. 675 cc's, 3-cylinder, awesome performance from this torquey, quick revving 3-cylinder 675. This bike is gorgeous. Black satin finish, gold wheels, and a beautiful sounding exhaust system. Wait till you hear that. Only 17,000 miles on this gorgeous show bike, Triumph Street Triple 675. Price to sell, just $74.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.